All right, today I'm gonna walk y'all through how to set up your fishing setup, how I set my fishing setup for the spring and for the summer in my 4runner. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. You're gonna have a rubber band. I'm gonna show you exactly how I set it up. So that way, if you guys have any ideas, or if you need help, you can do it too. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to set up the back of your 4runner or any car that you have that's like this. How to set it up with your fishing stuff. I have a lot of stuff that I have in my cooler. So this is how we're gonna do this, okay? So let me take this stuff down. All right, so I have a vest and my waders. Okay, got my vest and my waders. So what I usually do, put my net back behind, okay, and then this is what I do with my waders. My waders go this side, right? Like that. And then vest comes in second, because sometimes I don't always need my my waders. So that's how I do that part, right? I have that set up like that. So that's just my vest and my waders. Now, rod comes in just like this, right? I put it in just enough to where that's all it has to do right there. You want to grab a thick, strong rubber band, right? Wrap it behind the hook. Let me get you guys a little closer. So you're gonna wrap it behind the hook, the two hooks like that. That's in there, okay? They ain't going nowhere, right? So now, just keep watching. So then, you're gonna take the rubber band, rod, up and back behind the hook. Behind the hooks again. Like so. That way it's hanging. Just like that, right? Like no joke, that it don't go nowhere. But now we're gonna go up to that one. In the 4runner, we have these things back here. You can do it on either side too, but I just have the TV there. So we have this part, and the rubber band can go behind that, right? So what I do is pull this down. It's a little hard to do it with one hand, but you get it. Lift this up and then just slide the rubber band behind it. So let me do that real quick. Now that you have it behind there like that, literally all you have to do now is the same thing you did with that, but we're gonna wrap it around the pole here. So look, we can't. Okay, that'll have to work. So then literally the same thing. I like to pull it taut, so that way it's like up against the thing there. And then now you just go underneath of that little hook right there. Okay, so now it's in there, right? Now you could take this off each time like this. Take it off each time, pull it out, take the rod off. But I just like to leave that there. Let me put you back here again. I like to leave that there, right? And all you have to do is just pinch the rubber band. Well, you get that side out first. Get the end side out first. And then pinch that, pull it out. Boom. So there's my first trout rod in, okay? So look, that's in there. That ain't going nowhere when I'm driving. That's in there. We're all set, okay? So now I have to get cooler and everything else set up in here. Shoes. I like to keep my shoes and everything off to the same side right there. And then now we have to do with these. So pull is in. Okay. And I like to push that tight up against there, so that way the vest is in there secure. And then all this flows in there by itself, right? As a little extra, I like to just put this bungee here, pull it over here, so that way, like, none of these can really fly back when I'm driving. But that's pretty much how I have it set up. We're gonna be giving these away, me and the Perfect Cast, so be on the lookout for that. But that's how it's gonna be set up for trout camp and everything. So let's close that up.